Today we have the campus here where people get to shop for the ideas that potentially could show up in our strategic plan. They have limited money they get to spend to buy those ideas that they see throughout the room, which will help us prioritize things that we keep developing into the future.
Starting with a university-wide textbook.
We have 15 groups that have created their ideas. I've not made a hard count, but I believe we're over 75 ideas that people get a look at and provide feedback on, knowing they only have 12 stickers that they get to use to buy the idea.
I have 3 stickers left. This has been really fun. There are so many great ideas, and so just picking 12 has been really hard.
Just walking around and looking at all the ideas we have, they're quite incredible. Ideas that I absolutely love that I would have never thought of.
If in these gen ed courses they were very well designed.
We started in January, we're now in July, so several months into this process. Our group spent weeks coming up with these ideas, creating the banners and posters that you see behind me. These pictures will actually be moved probably onto main campus and up to Lake Campus for others to see and provide feedback.
Besides student life, I'm really interested in the student academic support. They have a 1-hour break in the schedule so everyone can get together. I think it's a wonderful idea. But the one thing I've really noticed, I've taken note of here, is that you have people from different communities. You have staff, you have students, you have faculty, administration, all circled around one poster talking about these ideas. And I think this is a great way to build collaboration among units across campus.
I really am invested in Wright State. I love this place, and I love the excitement that this is bringing for what we can be in the future and how we build on who we already are, embrace who we are as a university, and move forward.
Because it's something we can do with very little money. It's just a matter of taking the time to